Good morning, guys. Um, this is Brilliant Tech. This is Brilliant Tech tutorial. My name is Alessin. On today's video, I'll teach you guys on how to solve curve fitting. Now, with this question, how this question will say that two quantities. We have the two quantities x and y are related by the law y equals a over 1 minus bx squared, comma, where a and b are what? Constant. Full stop. Now, using the values given, using using the values given below, draw a stable graph and hence determine the best values of what? Of a and b. Now, from this question, now we are given the table, which and this table contains the values for what? A and b, the values for x and y. So therefore, the values for x are 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, 12, and the values of y are this below. Now, therefore, solution from the formula given to us, that is from the law given to us, is what? Y is equal to a over 1 minus bx squared, right? Which was this. Now, therefore, I have to cross multiply this. Now, cross multiply this, we have that y multiplied by this is equal to 1 times what? A. Okay, so that becomes y times 1 is y. Bring down your minus. Y times bx squared is what? Is bx squared y is equal to 1 times a is a. Okay, now therefore, which is now in solving this, make sure that you have to make this law to be in the form of y equals a plus bs. Okay, where where y is a word, where y must stand alone, where this is your word, this is your word, your slope, right? Where bx is your word, this is x axis, everything here is x axis and everything here is y axis, and a here is what? Is a what? Your constant. Okay, so therefore we have to make this law to be in the form of this. It must be in the form of this, which is y equals a plus bs, where this is what? S what? S axis, this is y axis, and a is slope. Always know that in some curve fitting, y must always stand alone, or y can stand alone, must stand alone, or y can contain only x and no constant. And always know that x must contain a constant. It's a must. X must contain a what? S axis must contain a constant. Always know that y axis can contain x axis together, and also y axis can stand alone, where the constant will only be on its own. You understand? So therefore, always know that y must stand alone or contain x, and also know that x must contain a constant. Is a must. Okay, so therefore after cross multiply, we have this. Now for us to make this equation to resemble this, now it will become what? Since I have to collect like times, that becomes y is equal to then minus bs square y will cross over here. So that becomes a plus bs square y. So if you check this equation now, this equation here has resembled this equation. Okay, this so therefore where y, this is y, a, this is a, and this is this. Okay, so therefore where y is what? Is y axis, which is y axis, and x square y, and as I said earlier, x must contain a constant. So and also s must contain y, s can contain y as well, and also s can contain, always know s must contain a constant. Is a must. So therefore where y is what? Where this y is y axis, and the x square y, which is what? X axis. Everything here is what? Is x axis, and everything here is what? Is y axis, where a is what? Your constant. Okay, so therefore using the formula, we say that sigma of y axis times sigma of x axis minus. Now from this equation, now from this equation, which constant is attached to x axis? The constant that is being attached to x axis here is what? Is b. So therefore I will attach b to what? To x axis all square. The constant that's attached to x axis here is a. So here it becomes what? A. But if you check here, the constant that's being attached to x axis is what? Is b. So that's why I put what? B. Sigma x axis all square. Okay, is equal to what? Is equal to what? 0. Okay, so therefore we have to do what? From this equation, now we are now plotting a graph of what? Y. A graph of y against x square y. So this is y axis. This everything is x axis. So we are plotting a graph of what? Y axis, and y axis is what? Is y against x square y axis is what? That's x axis, which is x square y. Okay, so therefore this is the formula you use to solve everything here, which is what? Sigma y x axis times x axis minus b sigma x axis all square is equal to what? 0. Okay, so let's continue. We have that now where y-axis times x-axis is equal to what is my y-axis? My y-axis is y times my x-axis is what? Is x squared y, which become this multiplied by this will give me what? X squared y squared. Now, and also x-axis all square. Which one is my what is my x-axis all square? My x-axis is as usual x squared y, which is this, which is x squared. X squared is my x-axis, okay? So therefore that becomes now therefore x squared x axis all square is what? Is x squared y times x squared y is equal to what? That becomes x squared times x will give me x4, y times will give me what? Y squared, okay? So therefore what next? Now after doing this, we have to rule line. So we have to draw a table which contains what? X, the value for x, the value for y. So if you check from these values we got now, I have x squared, I have y squared, I have x4, I have y squared. So therefore from the value given to us, we have the value for x. From value we have the value for x, which are these, and we also have the value for y, which are these. So therefore the value for x is this, and the values for y are this, right? So therefore from this equation we got, now let's find the value for x squared. Value for x squared is 4 squared 16, 6 squared 36, 8 squared is 64, 10 squared 100, 11 squared is 121, and 12 squared is 144. Again, now therefore let's find the value for what? X4. We have x4 here. So from the equation from this stuff, from this equation here, so we have x4. x4 is 16 squared is what? 256. 36 squared is this, 64 squared is this, 100 squared is this, 121 squared is this, and 144 squared will give you what? This, okay? Now as usual, again, let's find y, value for y squared. Now what y squared is, this square will give you this square is this square is this square is this square is this, and this square will give you what? This. Then after doing that, let's find what? Let's find x squared y, right? Let's find what? X squared y. So for us to find x squared y, now x squared y is what? Is x squared times y, okay? Which is what? Which is x squared is this, and y is this. So that becomes this times this will give me this. This times this will give me what? 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 This. And this times this will give me what? Will give me this, okay? So after doing that, let's solve x squared y squared. Now x squared y squared is what? Now x squared y squared is what? It's x squared times y squared, which is this times this will give me this, right? Again, this times this is this. 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 And then this times this will give what? This, okay? Now after doing that, let's find what? x4 y squared. Now x4 y squared is what? Is x4 times y squared. So which is what? So which is this times this will give me what? This. This times this is this. This into this will give me this. This times this will give me what? This. This times this will give me what? This, okay? Now this times will give me what? This. So after doing that, I have to find the total of it. Now therefore let's find the total of y. The total of y is this. Now again, the total of x squared y is this. Now the total of x squared y squared is what? Is this, and the total of x4 y squared is this. If you like, you can find the total of all of them. It's not bad, okay? So after doing that, after finding the total, now by using our formula, we say that sigma y x times sigma y axis times x axis minus b sigma x axis all square is equal to 0. So therefore, by using our formula, we say that sigma y axis times what? X axis minus b sigma what? X axis all square is equal to 0, right? So therefore, where y axis is equal to y, x axis is equal to x squared y, okay? As usual, as what I said earlier. So therefore, now I will know that, and sigma y axis times sigma x axis was, that is sigma y axis is what? Is y, and x axis is what? Is x squared y. So minus b sigma, what is sigma x axis all square? Sigma x axis all square is x squared y all raised to power square is equal to 0, okay? Where x axis is x squared y, so square, that becomes all square is equal to 0, okay? Now after doing that, multiply this will give me what? We have sigma x squared y squared, right, minus b sigma what? X4 what? Y squared is equal to what? 0. Now let's continue. So let's continue. So therefore we have that sigma x squared y squared minus sigma x4 y squared is equal to 0. Now let's input the values. This sigma means summation, that is total. So therefore let's put what's the total of x squared y squared. The total of x squared y squared was what? X squared y squared was 65423.48 was 65423.48, right? So put it that the summation of x square y square was 65423.48, right? And also the summation of x for y square was 8312392.04. Okay, so let's put the values into this. So you have that becomes this summation is this minus this summation is this is equal to 0. So that becomes this 65423.48 minus this times will give me what 8312392.04b is equal to 0. So let's collect like times. We have that this crossover here becomes what 8312392.04b is equal to what 65423.48. Now dividing through by coefficient of b. Now the coefficient of b here is 8312392.04. So b is equal to what? Divide through by 8312392.04. So divide this, so b is equal to 0.008. So if b is 0.008 now, so we are finding b. Let's find what? A. If you check from the question, from the question they gave us, we have to find a and b. So we have gotten b now. Let's find a. Now to find a, put the values of b in the equation, which is y equals a plus bx squared y. To find a, put the value of b in the equation. That is in this equation we got. Okay, in this equation which is y equals to a plus b s squared y. Okay, so put the value of what? Of b in this equation we got. Okay, so therefore putting the value of b in this equation, so that becomes, we have that where b is 0.008, right? Now, and also we have that summation of y is what? Is 53.5. As we got here, there is summation of y is 53.5. That is the total of all y values, right? Is what? Is 50.5. And also the summation of x squared y is what? Is 5297.36. That is what? That is this. That is 5297.36. Okay, so that is the summation for this. Now let's put the values in this equation. So we have that the value for y is what? 53.5 is equal to a plus the value for b is 0.008 times the value for x squared y is 5297.36. Okay, so therefore that becomes 53.5 is equal to a plus this times this will give me for 2.3789. Now collect like times. We have that a is equal to what? This crossover here, that becomes 53.5. This crossover here becomes minus because it's plus, crossover become what? Minus. That become minus for 2.3789. So therefore a is equal to this minus this will give me what? Therefore a is equal to 11.121. Okay, now therefore putting back the values of a and b in the original equation given to us. Now the original equation given to us was this, from the question was this. So now since we are getting the values for a and b, let's put the value for a and b in this original equation given to us. Okay, and that will be our final answer. So you have that y is equal to a over 1 minus b s squared. So therefore y is equal to what? The value for a we got is 11.121 over 1 minus the value for b we got was what? The value for b we got was 0.008, right? So that is 0.008 then x squared. So this is the word equation, and this is the final one answer. Very, very simple. Please guys, if you found this video interesting and helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.